Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you what Ask Beauty Consulting app looks like, what's all inside and what can it offer you. So let's take a peek, okay? So you click and you enter into Ask Beauty. Welcome, your beauty expert awaits. Expert guidance for your skin, scalp, and hair. Professional, empowering, and built for every beauty journey is Ask Beauty. You have an Ask Beauty question, there is a Beauty Pro answer. So when you click on that, it goes to some helpful quick action questions. And if you click on them, it will give you an answer. Okay, so also at the top, you have a skin analysis, and you have other tabs and other pages that you'll be able to click on. So let's click on skin analysis. Click on skin analysis and you have the use live camera or upload a photo. Pick whichever you choose. But whatever you have, make sure it is a no makeup picture, and when you are on live, make sure there's no makeup on. Okay, so once you click on the use live, you'll have a picture. I'm getting in the circle and I'm getting up close so they can really give a skin analysis. Then it says capture photo. And then it's analyzing my skin. Now it populates the skin concerns, what is the routine that I need to do, and product picks. Isn't that awesome? So it's saying here that I have moderate acne breakouts and a mild uneven skin tone. It did not detect hyperpigmentation, dryness, dehydration, or enlarged pores. And that is very true to what I know about my skin. And I tell you, this is a game changer for you. You can go down to the bottom here and you can have your analysis emailed to you. So once you click in the box, you add your email and you send it, and you will get that in your inbox. How about that? So let's go to skin. So it's going to go over different skin unhealthy and healthy signs. As you see here, it helps you with knowing what is healthy for the different textures. So it gives you melanin rich skin, olive and warm tones, or fair and light skin. Which one are you? And then it gives you some tips. Know your skin type. If you don't know your skin type, this is going to help you know what your skin type is. Normal skin, this is what you're going to check and see how many things you check off of there. The more you check off, that is you. Dry skin, do you have these issues? The more you check, then that is you. Oily, combination, and sensitive, you just do the same and it will help you to know what your skin type is, and then for you to get a good skincare routine for you. Okay, and so as you see here, it gives you some tips. These are not clickable, but it just gives you some morning and evening tips on how to cleanse, tone, treat, moisturize, and protect. So let's go to, that gives you a scalp care routine when you go to the next page, and some tips and tricks from Ask Beauty. How about the hair? This one here is a game changer. So listen, deep conditioning. Let's go up to the top. Let's go up to the top here. It's so much information. This is the hair health guide. So understand your hair's health, texture, and what it needs to thrive. You can ask a hair question. When you click on that, you can enter your hair question and you will get an immediate answer. If it's something that is more intense, it will go to a beauty pro. So get the app today. It's in my IG.